What's going on, PAP Nation? As of July 1st, ResMed has discontinued several masks in its line. Starting on January 1st, 2022, ResMed's going to discontinue 2 more masks with their line. With that being said, if you are on any of these masks, I'm going to suggest what masks you should look into for replacements. Stay tuned. If you guys haven't hit subscribe, please hit subscribe below. Also hit notifications so you guys get notified of my daily CPAP updates, and I appreciate all the comments. I also learn just as much, if not more, from you. So let's get right into it. So as of July 1st, 2021, ResMed has discontinued its ResMed AirFit F10 full face mask, along with the ResMed Air Quattro full face mask. And the suggestions that I have for you guys for the upgrades are either the AirFit F20, the AirTouch F20, the AirFit F30, or the AirFit F30i. With that being in ResMed's upgraded list, now we're going to get to Fisher & Paykel. Fisher & Paykel, rock solid brand, rock solid masks throughout the years. Sleep clinics have raved about that brand, raved about their masks, just like they have with ResMed. So let's add in the Fisher & Paykel Simplest and the Fisher & Paykel Vitera in that category. Next up is the ResMed AirFit N10, which is the nasal mask. Good replacement you should consider is the AirFit N20, the AirTouch N20, AirFit N30, AirFit N30i. Let's add in Fisher & Paykel again. They make an Eson 2, another rock solid mask in that grouping. Next up is the ResMed Mirage FX. That is the last mask to be discontinued in this category for July 1st, 2021. And the Mirage FX, good replacement you should consider. AirFit N20, AirFit N30, AirTouch N20, and AirFit N30i. Let's add in Eson 2 by Fisher & Paykel as well on that list. That finalizes all the discontinued masks of July 1st, 2021 from ResMed. As of January 1st, 2022, they plan on discontinuing the Swift FX and the Mirage Quattro. The Swift FX replacements you guys should consider are the AirFit P10 and the AirFit P30i. Let's add Fisher & Paykel's grouping to that. You could consider as well is the Bravita. Last is the ResMed Mirage Quattro. Mirage Quattro full face mask. Replacement again for the full face mask with ResMed. AirFit F20, AirTouch F20, AirFit F30, AirFit F30i. And if you want to consider Fisher & Paykel, again, with the Simplest in the Vitera. That's it. If I missed anything, put it in the comment section. If you have any other suggestions of great masks that I did not name, please put it in the comment section. Would love to hear from you. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. That's it. God bless all of you.